Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to rename a group on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to rename WhatsApp group, first open up your WhatsApp app. Now in order to rename that group guys, you must be an admin of that group. So let's tap on that group and go to the chat box of that group like this. And from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here guys, on this interface, tap on the name of that group, which is a group 1 for me. It can be anything for you. And over here at the top right corner of the screen, again there is a three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon, and over here guys, you can see the second option where it says the change group name. Tap on change group name, and over here guys, you can rename your group anything you like. I'll be typing the demo group example, and after that tap on OK at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see guys the name of that group has been changed. And there guys, this is how to rename a group on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.